Okay, welcome back to another Matt Armstrong video. Again, another car video. Today, we're kind of plastering you with the car videos. It seems to be doing quite well. This time, possibly, now before I say this, the owner does know that he doesn't look after this car, and this is hence the reason why he's getting rid of it. So this is not going to be insulting to him, but possibly the worst looked after M3 in the world, E46 M3. Now I'm aware that these are going up in value, and especially this one in this colour. But this one, it's in a state. Let me just take you around it. So, first one you can obviously see is the amount of rust and duct tape which is on that arch. Let's go around here. A bit of sort of worn badge, lack of peel on the wheels, even rust sort of starting there. More lack of peels. Big fat dent. A lot of BMW enthusiasts probably crying right now. I mean, it's just aged a lot, and I mean it's not been looked after. I mean, here we go on the inside. Look at the seats. Oh, I mean, I have saw it worse than this. He has cleaned it, but notice the state in it. And the reason why we're doing this video today is because it's failed an MOT on a bunch of things. If I can put the MOT fail slip, I'll put it in here now so you can just see the list of things that it's failed on. I'm sort of working my way through them, fixing them so we can get it past an MOT, fixed, back on the road, and then he's probably going to sell it because he hasn't got time to look after it. This will probably go to someone who would like to restore it, keep it in a garage, and then sort of sell it at a later date when the value's gone up. So today, 2 rear springs are going to be done and a front anti-roll bar drop link. So I'm going to get onto that now and check back in with you after. Peace. There's your first spring out. Just the standard snappage. It's not that hard to take out. Well, it wasn't that hard to take out because it snapped. The new one might be a bit harder to put back in. Let's put the new one back in and then go on to the passenger side and then do the drop link. Let's go. On the passenger side now, all I do is undo the damper and then push down the whole hub. Spring pops out, new spring goes in. It's not too difficult. Basically, put in the comments below what you would do with this E46 M3. Like, would you keep it, restore it? Is it worth it, or would you just chop it and get rid of it? And let me know how much you think it was worth. I mean, it's done 140,000 miles, I think. He's had it since pretty much brand new, so there's only been 2 owners. Let me know how much you think it's worth. Like, it's 2003, it's a manual, it will have 12 months MOT, but obviously the condition it's in, you're going to have to do a lot of work to it. Right, rear spring's on, now to do the front. It's got a front drop link. My tripod has broke. The drop link's off. It didn't take that long because shout out to BMW for putting a little bit for your spanner. Oh, focus. Yeah, so they put a bit for your spanner on the back so it didn't spin. This one is all split, so new one on. Then hopefully it gets through MOT. So front's all on now. Look at the state of the arch, just look at it. There's your E46 M3. I'll just give you a brief walk round and a start up. Everything in the interior is not too bad. I mean, you get your general wear and tear, like your gear stick, a bit of wear on that seat. This one is really badly worn, but I mean, it starts up and drives first time, every time. We say that. Yeah, no, it's perfect. Obviously on the M3 it gives you the LEDs. Once the car's warm up they would disappear. Old school tape player. So what would you do? Would you sell this car or would you take the time and restore it? If it was mine, I'd take the time and restore it, but to be honest, I'm not a BMW fan. I'm more of a Mercedes, Audi kind of man, but these guys ain't got the time. They want to just get it through the MOT and get it out of there. I'll take you to the back of the exhaust because these do sound quite nice from standard. So yeah, it does sound nice. I mean, a nice summer's day. Nice summer's day when you've got the window down. Well, when you've got the roof off on this, you're giving it some beef down the country lanes. It will be nice. Obviously, I'm really busy with the house and everything at the minute, so I'm just trying to fire out as much as the videos of what I'm actually doing on the weekend. I thought this is the only thing I thought was just fairly interested on the weekend. So if you've liked this video, click like, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, make sure you've clicked that subscribe button, because we are slowly growing and I want to kind of keep the subscribers moving day to day, and it motivates me more to do more videos. Hopefully you've liked this video. If you want to see more car videos, let me know in the comments, because I'm still car, BMX, DIY, whatever. I'm doing all sorts at the minute, so let me know what you think's best. And yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Is there any problems, any bottles, any models, but like to swallow, like gobble, gobble, talking gobble, gobble, keep extending clips, and they fill with hollows. 22 hoes on me, 22 clothes on